welcome back to my channel. It's Life with Tamika Lynn. I hope you guys are, as always, having a wonderful day. It's a Wednesday, so it's definitely a hump day Wednesday for me. Wednesdays are like that day where you're like, gosh, we're almost through the week. However, it's a reminder that you're not there yet. That's how my Wednesday has been. It's been like super busy. I've been on call after call, meeting after meeting. So yeah, it's been pretty busy. I rolled my hair last night. So I took some flexi rods and I caught myself trying to roll my hair to maintain my curls. However, it curled too much. So I ended up putting on a headband this morning so I didn't look crazy in my meetings, because the Shirley Temple curls is not what it is. So I'm gonna have to let these curls eventually go away. I won't try flexi rodding anytime soon, because yeah, these curls are tight. Like, I look like a kid. But anyway, so that's what I have on my headband. I just want it to look somewhat like myself in my meetings. And one of my friends called it out on the call because we do Zoom calls. She was like, okay with the curls. So yeah, that kind of made my morning. It did make me laugh, but yeah. So I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I've been working all day, so there's not really much besides my cup of joe. Coffee is definitely one of my love languages. I love coffee. I do drink it daily. I try to limit myself to 1 cup, but I have to have my coffee. And when I don't have my coffee, it's like my day it doesn't go right. So that's just definitely one of my personal love languages. I feel like so much can be handled over a cup of coffee. I mean, business deals can be made. Situations can be resolved. There's so much that can happen over a cup of coffee. So I do love coffee. Get into the bag of the day. Last week I was on Instagram and I came across a ad or whatnot. It was by the company Alabaster, and they basically had all these different like planners and study Bibles and study materials. So I did buy me this beautiful study Bible. It's basically a year in the Bible, 52 weeks in the Bible, and it's geared towards women, and it arrives. So I'm just showing you guys. I'm looking forward to this. I feel like sometimes in life, we kind of like lose faith a little bit, life circumstances, grief, just a whole lot of stuff. And it's really easy to kind of like lose sight of who you are and whose you are. So I definitely felt this was a great reminder to kind of hone me back in spiritually. So I'm looking forward to using this. I think I'm going to start it this week. It's a very beautiful study, and it has it's pictures, very, very vibrant. So I'm looking forward to that. Now, bag of the day. So I unboxed this bag maybe last year or the year before last on my channel. It's a fairly newer bag. I did pre-order it. I got it when it came in. So the bag of the video, or the day for Vlogmas, day 11, is the beautiful Monoglam Speedy 20. Now, this is my only Speedy 20 that I own. I have went back and forth about the Monogram. I thought about the Demir Bean, but I have never pulled the trigger, simply because after getting this bag, I wasn't sure that size was right for me. So as you can see, it's small. It's small, but it holds a lot, but it still doesn't take away that it is small. Now, this bag, if you guys are familiar with that Monoglam collection, but basically it was iridescent, and I don't know if it's gonna pick up on camera because my lights are kind of bright, but I will insert a photo of it outside. I was absolutely in love with the look of this bag. Now, it feels funny, right? It kind of feels like a mixture between plastic and rubber. So in reading the description on the Louis Vuitton website, it says that it's woven from cotton and then it's laminated. So you can still see, the LV emblems, but the feel of the purse, it's quite different than anything I own. I don't have another purse like it. And I think it's specific to this Monoglam collection. So outside of, you know, the Monoglam fabric, right, is what we'll call it. You can kind of see the iridescent, holographic iridescent look. It's so pretty. But outside of that, the bag does have leather as well in it. So it has this navy blue leather, and it is trimmed around and on the bottom. The trimming continues on the outside. It has gold hardware. Now this bag does not have an extended zipper. So on the other Speedy 20s, the zipper actually extends to about right here. This bag does not, which makes it pretty tight to enter in. And I think that's maybe what even kind of like turned me off from buying another 20, even though the others have an extended zipper. I just felt like it's so tight to, you know, get in this bag, but I don't know. I've carried it a few times. As of right now, it's a keeper, but I don't know if down the line I might sell it. I don't know. I'm still toying with maybe getting rid of some bags out of my collection that I don't really use. The only issue with this bag is I think it would be so cute to see one of my girls carry it. Whether it's the oldest or the youngest, I just think it would be like a super cute bag for, you know, a young adult or a teenager, you know, whatever. So the bag does come with a adjustable and detachable strap. So as you can see, it does have a few holes to adjust the strap. And it also, again, it's in this gold, the gold hardware. So the claw clips are in gold. They just say Louis Vuitton on them. And it attaches, you know, to the outside of the bag. I do have the bag set to wear it crossbody. So it is tall girl friendly. I'm 5'8" for reference. So this does fit, you know, really nicely on me as far as being crossbody. So I do like it. I haven't carried it top handle, like literally, I think I've used this bag maybe twice, and both times we were out shopping, so I carried it as a crossbody. I didn't buy any of the SLGs that came with this collection. I didn't love it that much to buy it. I felt like the bag was enough. Yeah, I'm gonna pass on any type of SLGs, and I don't even remember what was offered back then, but I opted to not get anything. However, one day my niece was in Kate Spade and she sent me a picture of this card holder. It's kind of bright, but it's silver and it's sparkly. And I was like, you know what, that would coordinate really good to my bag. So I had her pick it up for me and I sent her the money. So the front has 3 slots. The light, guys, I'm sorry, the lights are bright because my office is kind of dark. And then the back also has 3 slots, and then there's a slot in the middle. And this is like a fabric material in the middle. I think I've used this once, maybe, I can't remember, but yeah, it says Kate Spade. Really cute little card holder. So I just thought it looked nice, or would coordinate, you know, with the bag. And then the bag is so small, I'm not gonna use a wallet, or I didn't use a wallet. I think when I originally carried it, I used like a different Louis Vuitton card holder, but it's a tight fit, like it's tight to get in and out. So I would keep it very small card holder, maybe a pochette, but that's about it. And a cell phone, nothing additional because it's a tight fit as far as getting my hand in and out. But you could stuff the bag more. I choose not to. I think I did a what fits in my bag on this video, so I'll tag it above. But yeah, so this is bag of the day for day 11, the Monoglam Speedy 20. If you have something from the collection, or if you have a Speedy, tell me your thoughts. I think that extended zipper was great. I wish they would have kept that with this design. Not sure why they didn't, but I think I probably would have enjoyed the bag a little bit better had it been easier to get in and out of the bag. So I hope you guys have a wonderful evening. Leave me some comments below and we will talk tomorrow. Have a good night and be safe.